everybody, welcome back to my channel today and welcome to today's look. This one, it's so different from what I'm used to doing. So like, it is an obvious cut crease, but it is different in the sense that like there's no winged liner, but there's like a winged shadow effect using a neon color. So I really had a lot of fun creating this because it's definitely different, out of my comfort zone, but also very easy and simple to achieve. So without me continuing on too much, continue watching. Bye! So with my base all done and my eyes prepped, which I did off camera, ready to go for eyeshadow, I am going to be using my Shaaanxo and BH Cosmetics palette. And I was thinking of using this side here, and that's because I really love purples, especially with my eye colour. They just make it pop better. And using a fluffy brush, the first shade I actually want to use is one here. It's like a lilac sort of shade. It is called Lover. I'm going to use that. I want to start out in that crease area and then sort of make it into like a circular motion and see where we go with that.
Just let me fall to my grave.
Okay, so I've just keeping it in this lid area, and I've stopped sort of like where that eye, end of the eye meets up with that eyebrow in that direction.
Let me fall to my grave.
Okay, so now with the shade Vampet, this dark purple, I want to deepen it up, going a little bit lower.
So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. One step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my Just let me fall to my grave.
So now I want to cut out my crease, so micellar water and a Q-tip.
So pessimistic from the past, all the
Okay, so this is where I'm going a little funky because I'm going up at the edges to cut that crease.
Just let me fall to my grave.
Yeah, so it's obvious it looks a little bit funny, but I'm hoping it comes together interestingly, at least, if not fun. So we'll see. Just getting a little bit more concealer so that we can add a little bit right where we've taken off that eyeshadow. Just 2 dots, because with this concealer a little goes a long way. Using a flat brush to blend this out.
Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past. All the good things end up in caskets. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find.
I'm just going to set that in place with my MAC Studio Fix face powder.
My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave.
Just with a clean blending brush now, this is where the fun part comes in. I want to use this sort of like neon pink shade called Baby Girl. And I want to start using it on the lower lash line. Bringing it up here, and you'll see it as I do it. Just adding it to the end of my top lash line.
So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and
Okay, next part. Going in with my NYX glitter primer. I'm wanting to focus this more in this inner crease area where those two colours meet. I'm not putting the glitter primer on any of the actual eyeshadow. With that primer, I just patted it into the skin. So I'm using my Napoleon Perdis loose eye dust. It's called Back to Fuchsia. And I'm going to use that as the glitter.
Let me fall to my grave.
So what I've done is I've placed a lot more glitter, because I have a lot more glitter glue, on this inner portion of the eye, and then as it comes out here it's really sparse. Just dusting away any extra glitter. Now to do the other eye.
Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past. All the good things end up in caskets. I'm never feeling okay.
Okay, that's done. I don't want to do anything more with it because I'm actually very happy with how it is, so I'll show you up close what it looks like. So nothing super fancy, but what I am going to do is add some lashes. and then I'll be right back. Alright, so that is the eyelashes done, and while I was also off screen, I didn't do anything fancy other than I just used a, well, it says it's nude, but it's obviously more of like a peachy kind of light shade of lip gloss on top of my lips. But, so with that being said, that is this look done. I definitely wanted to do something that was a little bit more on the like fun and different side, but it is actually very easy to achieve as well, because I don't want to put unrealistic standards for people if they want to follow tutorials that I do. So on that note, I will leave you guys here, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you're new, of course, and as usual, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!